Okay, welcome to Alikare, and as you know, I'm Althea. So let me put away this knife. Okay, so we're gonna have a aloe vera mukbang and chit chat, right? So yes, I have this aloe vera. Am I gonna eat off all of them? I can't promise you that, but I'm gonna try to eat as much. And here I have crystal water. No sugar is in this water because I know you have clear sugar. It's just pure water. Sometimes when I eat the aloe vera, it feel like it want to come up back. So instead of throw it up back, I just drink this for it to go down. The water for it to force it to stay down, because sometimes because the stomach not really, it might want to come up back. Now I'm going to peel this one first. So one of the reasons why I'm eating the aloe vera, and this is the way how I peel it. I peel the two sides off, so I just have this to put that in. Another reason why I'm eating the aloe vera, it helps with my immune system, help with my skincare, and if I have any vaginal infection, it also helps with that may be caused from yeast. And sometimes we do just have things or discharge change or urine change. It helps to clean my bladder, so that is one of the reasons why I am eating it. So I'm trying to peel the skin off so I easily get it down my throat and not having the skin on it. And this is the way how I peel it. I did a video like this before, but basically I just show me slipping piece down my throat and the rest I rub it on my body. Basically I was showing you what I use aloe vera for. But as I said, I normally just take care of my skin in a certain way where getting this for a thumbnail. So look at this, guys, lovely, don't? Wow, it's lovely. So I'm just gonna put this in the dish. Don't want to waste it. I might add, I do give my puppies some. They eat it. Once they see I eat it, they will eat it. So if you're asking how I get my dog to eat aloe vera, because they see me eat it, so they think it's safe. From mommy can eat it, that means it's nice. And they eat it too. And they're around the table making noise because they want some of my aloe vera. And they're barking for it because they want to know what I'm doing. So yes, Fury, you want some? Wow, this piece is lovely. But I want to just make sure I peel off everything and eat it. So it also good for your teeth too, and it's just good for your skin, odor, everything. Aloe vera is so good. But if you see these little green patches in here, I want to make sure I take them out. No, I rather eat in the aloe vera more than blend it up and drink it. Or put it in stuff. I like to get the natural ingredients from it and eat it. Okay, so okay. Wow. Nice. This big piece here. So I'm just gonna cut them in small pieces instead of biting it. I really don't like to just have them in my mouth chewing all the same. So I have about So this is 3, 6, 9, 10 pieces. I cut them in, so 10 small pieces. So you can count with me. I'm just gonna try and eat the whole 10 of them. So this is the first one. Let's see how it goes. My son is holding the camera and I'm sure he wants peace. You want peace?
No, you might.
So here we go, guys. This is for healthcare, people suffering from cancer, diabetes, joints pain, women who are going through menopause. This is for women with libido problem, because you know sometimes don't you get dry, not easily lubricated. This is for women who are suffering from yeast infection, who have acne problem. This is for the ladies that want their skin to glow and look beautiful. This is for the ladies who want good hair. And this is for the ladies who just want their eyes to glow. You know, all those foggy look over the eyes to go away. Yes, it's good for your eyes, good for hair growth, and all of those things. So, don't you think it's worth it now for me to eat this? Just like it is? Now, we eat so many things that is bad for us, and just because this have a little taste, we're not gonna eat it. So you're saying that she's not gonna eat all those pieces. So let's count. This is one. Right down the throat. And maybe I need to cut them a little thinner.
Catch her, try make some encouragement thing so she can chat to know what.
No!
Eat this if you eat this one.
Okay. This boy is just stop. Yes, I was telling the people and why I'm eating it.
No, eat it first, then you tell them. Lord of mercy.
That's one. My son said he likes to see me eat stuff that don't taste good because he likes the look on my face.
My lady put on a big smile.
And this is number 2. There is something I've been learning to do from other days to take my feelings out of the moment. So I'm trying to take my feelings out of the aloe vera. I'm going to go again. Ready?
Catch your reaction upon the cheekbone, people.
Let me just drink some water to sleep that down. Because honestly, it doesn't feel anywhere in my mouth until when it reaches my stomach, like it wants to slide back up.
If you see your face right now.
This boy. Alright, so I'm gonna go again. That's number 3 piece. I believe if everybody can kiss, they can eat aloe vera.
Yeah.
If you can stomach to kiss somebody, why don't you?
Force well.
The water, push it down. Boy, I never do no video and really get a certain amount of view, but no wicked. If you wanna share that video and like it and comment, and anybody feel like them can do what me do, me a challenge to have a aloe vera mukbang with me. So I'm gonna put hashtag challenge aloe vera mukbang. So all the mukbangers out there, you like nice food, aloe vera nice one, a good food. First of all, if you have constipation problem, it's good. It's good for you. So I'm gonna go again. And my puppies, them I have them down here eating too, but guess what? So then eat little of the aloe vera, then go eat little food. I guess they wanted the taste out, but they're not too greedy. They want to eat what me eat. Ready? Look at this big piece, juicy. This is like a big piece of meat. Ready again. Watching. And please like, comment, and share. And who want to take on this challenge? I dare you.
Nobody.